Well, hello, assalamualaikum, and a very good morning, kids. Welcome back to English with Miss Fa, and today we're gonna do a new project. It's gonna be very exciting. Are you excited for that? Let's get started, shall we? And so you're gonna need three things for this project, which are: the first one will be you need a bowl of water, and then a spoon, and a whiteboard marker. It can be any color, it can be blue, black, or any color, up to you. So what you have to do first is that grab the spoon and the marker. You have to draw an animal. It can be any animal. For example, I'm drawing a butterfly over here. You may color it. If you don't want to color, also possible. Once you're done with that, take the bowl and then put the spoon slowly into the water. Make sure to do it slowly and carefully. There you go, my butterfly. Hello, my name is Miss Fa, and today I'm going to share the animals that I like and I don't like. This is a snake. I don't like snakes. What about you? This is a butterfly. I like butterflies. What about you? And this is a spider. I don't like spiders. What about you?